Mga kaboy-takas, magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ang labanan ng Mutya ng Prisa. Time check 4:35. Regional costume. Ayan, makaka-copyright tayo dito mga kaboy-takas. Ano ba yan? Aray! Hindi daw. Hindi daw pala sila. Inamoy guys, inamoy. Yun, okay. Regional costume pare.
This now represents a powerful narrative of preserving traditional crafts amidst the ravaged days of modernization.
Boss.
It stands as a testament to both the artistry of the individual and the rich shared heritage of the Filipino people. Crafted from above in durable and flexible material, one utilized in the Filipino weaving traditions, this gown embodies the passion of a nation and craft that has been passed down to the municipality of Silang Cavite. More than just a garment, this gown represents the artistry and the enduring spirit of Filipino craftsmanship. In wearing this gown, we not only honor the craftsmanship of the present, but also ensures that the legacy of textile production endures for future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, Sikian.
Makakabite. Tangkad dari SDA Balayan.
This costume represents an agricultural event, the Sumida Festival of Silang Cavite.
Cavite pa rin.
The festival celebrates gratitude for the bountiful harvest and highlights the importance of thanksgiving to God for a good harvest of the field.
Grabe naman yun.
A bountiful harvest is often considered gold because it represents a large, abundant yield of crops, which is incredibly valuable to farmers and communities. A precious and highly valued commodity. It also gives importance to the bravery of Silangenyo, who declared the Aguero Revolt in 1745, considered as one of the first revolts of the farmers in the Philippines and in Southeast Asia. A blessing of cows and gold, a wonder to behold. Cavite will chase for the gold. Ladies and gentlemen, the big Makani of candidate number 2. industry in Quezon,
Quezon.
they exhibit the most performers by the so-called the Yugan Festival. The array of splendid gloves and pieces of gold figures were assembled together to form this masterpiece.
Lilinawin.
Those of the costumes were made out of coconut husk for the
Diyugan.
Kayo yung-yugan.
Diyugan pala, diyugan.
which is
Puro diyog, pras.
the noise land of the rising sun that represents the pride of the Philippine archipelago, the islands, and the bodies of water. The Balag Creek represents the farmers merchandise container during the barter in the olden times. And their handcrafts of coconut and cocoa life that represents the Filipinos' diligence and resilience. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 3 with Dream of Life.
Mahal ng costume yan, ano?
Ganda rin, Miss Lisa.
Oo.
Ilahin.
Malakas ang katawan na rin. Nabuhat ang niyog niya.
Samantha Adamino Lindsay, 19, from Malayan Educational Foundation Incorporated, Munyanang Kasaha, Quezon Province!
Niyog na yan.
Kalayan.
O, kalayan. Wonder Woman niya.
Ito ang first runner-up natin.
First and rap. Pantak naman, mga 5-10 daan.
Mali.
Every intricate detail, human textures, delicate beads, and cascading curls embodies the cultural heritage that makes Batangas a true jewel of the Philippines.
Ha? Hindi, Malayan. Yun yun. Yun yung matangkad.
Hindi ba ito yun?
Yan na yun. Hindi, Malayan.
Number 4, in the Reina del Mar, Alan at Pamana.
Yeah!
Palubo pa eh, oh.
Hindi si Reyna.
Ganda din na mo ka.
Ay! Abula-abula ako. Yun naman, may pailaw. Kapag kagarni ang mga dito, yung mga nervous. Ay, kasi tumalong.
Lambas pala yun.
Ay! Yun naman! Woo! Yes! Woo! Tulingan, bangon! Woo! Ah, galing. Bagus! Boss!
Daming huli!
Kaya nga! Pwede na, pwede na! Bangos, bangos!
Mga tulingan ngayon! Ah, hindi, maganda rin. Ganda mo ka. Ganda.
Oo, maganda. Kamukha nga ni Wonder Woman, si Gal Gadot.
Oo.
Nung nasa Batangas, province lang. Oo, Gal Gadot, boss. Uy, tawag mo, boy.
Sushi King Peterson, 24, STI College Malayan, Munyanang Kasaha, Province of Batangas!
UB, oh. Batangas.
O pala, yata, oh.
Yan
agricultural influence, and vibrant traditions. The overall aesthetics of Batangas regional attire balances the coastal and rural lifestyle, emphasizing practicality, cultural richness, and beauty. The bright colors and symbolic designs honor the province's close connection to both land and sea, offering a glimpse of Batangas heritage as the center
Baka naman
of
ano,
a
Ray,
center
baka
of marine
buta ng number.
biodiversity.
Buta ng number.
Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 5 in Isla Verde.
Ako mo matay. Yay! Woohoo!
Go Batangas!
Abangan naman, aqua mo man. Yeah!
Oral pala yun.
Woo! Maalon!
Tinuturo nun!
Chia Giselle Eduardo, 21, University of Batangas, Mutiara, Pisalaan, Adael!
Batangas! Woo!
Mahulog na.
Sportswear mga kaboy takas.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause please for the candidates of Mutiara Pisalaan Region 4A 2025. Yung mas malakas na palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. These ladies are stunning beautiful. Whatever clothes they wear, my goodness, don't look at me like that. Wow! Ang gaganda nila, sobra. Lalo na pag nandito kayo, feeling ko talaga nasa hangin ako and this with me just right here on stage.
Wow!